Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your teacher, Mr. Nkandu, commonly known as Mr. A+. Okay, so today I've come with these two questions that are coming from paper 1, 2024. That is question number 5 and question number 6. So quickly let us go through the questions and see how we are going to handle them. Each question carries 2 marks. Shade the region P intersection R complement intersection Q on the Venn diagram in the answer space below. So the answer space which they are talking about is this one, which we are given. So want to just shade the region P intersection R complement intersection Q on the Venn diagram. Okay, so now here we have P, this is P, this is Q, this is R. Okay, so now they are saying R complement. So R complement, that is 0. Okay, so we are going to remove this one. R is not included. So in short, here they are saying P intersection Q. Okay, because this R is complement. So the P intersection Q is this part. That's the one we are going to shade according to what they are looking for. So that's how we shade. Okay, we are done. Then we go to question number 6. The magnitude of PQ is 20 units, given that OP is 50 and OQ is 17y. Find the positive value of y. Okay. So we are going to introduce the formula for finding the magnitude because that is what we are given. Okay, and we are going to say the magnitude of PR. So PR or PQ, I mean, this is PQ, not PR. Magnitude of PQ. The formula is this one. Okay, since we have two sets of coordinates, so we are going to say x1 minus x2, then plus, there is a square there, plus y1 minus y2, then square. That's the formula. Okay. Then from there, bear in mind that we are given the PQ magnitude, which is 20. So therefore, this is going to be, let's just now write this one. We swap them, okay? We are going to say the square root of x1 minus x2, then square plus y1 minus y2 square is equals to, what is the magnitude? It's 20. Okay, so we are given 20. Then now from there we can substitute the coordinates that we are given. So we have 17y 50. So we are going to actually write this, convert this in a coordinate form. It will be like this. Okay, this is vector column is going to be 5, 0. Then the other one also is going to be 17, y. Okay, so now let's name them. We have, this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So let's now substitute in these coordinates that we have on the formula. So I think we can use the other part of the chalkboard. So we are going to say x1, what is our x1? x1 is 5. So 5 minus, we are substituting there, minus, then x2, what is our x2? x2 is 17, then square plus, then y1 in this case is 0, minus y2 is what? y2 is y. Okay, square equals what? 20. That's the magnitude we have. That is the way to go. Then now from there we can simplify further. So when you subtract 5 minus 17, the answer is going to be negative 12 squared plus 0 minus y is negative y, then squared, then equals what? 20. Okay. Then from there, we are going to further simplify. Negative 12 squared, the answer would be 144. Then plus negative y squared, the answer is y squared. Then equals 20. So now where we have reached, we want to find the value of y. So for us to find the value of y, we need to get rid of the square that we have. How do we get rid of it? We are going to do it, the square root, I mean. So we are going to introduce the square both sides, okay? So this square will cancel with this one, then we are going to have 144 plus y, then equals 20. This side we have a square. 20 squared is what? 400. Okay. So this square came about when we introduced it so that we can get rid of the square root. Okay. So that's how it has come about. Okay. Then from there we can correct the like term. Remember, this is a square. So y squared is equals to 400 minus 144. So y squared is equals to 400 minus 144 is 256. Okay, 256. So we can square root now that one, both sides. So 256. 256. The square root of 256 is what? So y. The moment you just introduce the square root, you should have positive, negative. Okay. So y is equals to, what's the square root of 256 is 16. So positive or negative 16. Okay. So therefore we have y is equals to 16 or y is equals to negative 16. Now when you get back to the question, they are saying find the positive value of y. So positive value of y therefore is what? Is y is equals to 16. Okay. So this is how we hammer this type of question. Thank you so very much for now. Bye.